Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos every 2 to 3 weeks related to yoga, self-help, meditation, and lifestyle vlogs. So if you like, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Today we're going to go to the Yellow Green Farmers Market in Hollywood, Florida. Just a little outfit of the day. So when you get to the Yellow Green Farmers Market, this is the welcoming sign. This place right here, that's the best tacos. The best tacos. The food was amazing. I'm going to circle back around and you're going to see the full name. I literally just forgot. It's something like L something. But it's a little pricey. But it's, when I tell you, that soup that you dip your tacos in, that soup right there, amazing, amazing. That I think was $50. So the tacos, the 2 corns, and some quesadillas, and the large, that's a large drink, all came up to $50. And that's just a regular chicken quesadilla. And I don't even know what I got, the tacos that I got. I just told her I want the thing on the picture that you dipped. And when I tell y'all, oh, it was amazing. Walking in, you have a bunch of restaurants, little places to eat on your left, your right. Oh, that dip, look at that dip. That, whatever that was, that is amazing. So now we're just walking through inside the tent. They have shops. If you've ever been to the swap shop or a flea market, the Yellow Green is literally like a bougie swap shop. So that's my husband. We're going down each aisle just to see what they have. And this is not our first time. We come here like every other week or every 3 weeks just to get organic veggies. If I need some crystals, organic food. So these are just the little shops inside the tent. I'm doing some voiceovers because they were playing lots of music and I didn't want to get hit with copyright, so just bear with me. After walking, we found this place that is a Jamaican restaurant and they have shrimp quesadillas. My husband doesn't eat meat, so he was excited. It was a lot of food for about $12 to $15. You get the tacos and you get a side, and the lady was nice. She gave him a free drink. So many different shops. That lady right there was trying to do face painted. It was too damn hot. And then you have Natural Honey. You have other restaurants and bars.
Hey, I came back. I bought this from you the last time. Okay. So I'm just coming back and showing.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So this is where I got my necklace from. What's the name of your shop?
Natural Jewels Emporium.
The owner is super nice and well educated on her jewelry and her craft. I ended up getting a rose cord for love. I need to go back and get the matching ring next time.
No, sorry. What? What? That's a plum, the Jamaican plum. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. Spike as hell.
Also found some guineps.
Y'all, this pineapple and passion fruit was everything. This
Get up there, get up, get up.
everything, every freaking thing. And then Corey got some coconut water.
This shop was cute and pretty cool. They sell all natural coffee and energy drink. Affordable.
Corey, what did you get?
It's plant-based energy drink.
Yeah, okay,
See this little stone.
thank you. Alright, this looks good. Oh my gosh. You don't have one. I'm sorry. It's okay. The sad face is like.
Mama was mad, but this was so good. I needed it because we were going out later that night. I needed coffee. some oranges, some passion fruit, guava, banana, papaya, watermelon. Don't judge these, I'm gonna plant them. Pineapple, apple, blueberry, spinach, Jamaican plum, tamarind, guinea. I think these are lychee, right? Both lychees, different kind. Carrots, grapes, celery, cucumber, and I got spinach. Always wash your fruits and veggies before using them. I don't care if you get them from Publix, Walmart, Walgreens, wherever. Refreshing. If y'all don't know by now, Florida is hot. Whew. Shit. Trying to do the TikTok trend for Instagram real quick, so just me recording. Don't mind me, I'm just bored, but yeah, your girl still got it. I still got it. Bali Hookah Lounge in Hollywood. Such a vibe inside, you'll see.
Baby, do you really love me like I think you do? Do you really love me like I think you do?
It was a mango mojito with a mango hookah. And the thing about Bali, you could bring your own bottle. No one told me this until I got there. So you could bring your own bottle, and I think it's $20 to $25 you pay. And they just bring out like little chasers, orange juice, pineapple juice for you to drink. But they do have mojitos and other like wines and teas because it's a hookah lounge. They do not serve hard liquor like Hennessy or vodka. So bring your own bottle, pay that $20 to $25 and you good.
Can't pretend this don't feel like something else. So do you really love me like I think you do? Oh baby, do you really love me like I think you do?
Woke up the next day. When I wake up, I go and I check on my plants, talk to them, give them some loving, see how they're looking. I started a little garden, so you know, we're doing it. And I just get ready to do some yoga and start my day. Let me start off by saying I do not practice yoga every day or every morning. This is just every other day or whenever I feel it. This particular morning, I was on my way to go work out with a new group. So I was like, you know, let me get some stretches in before I go. But every morning I do pray and I do practice mindfulness. And I try to meditate and calm my mind before going out in this crazy world. So much is going on. And I feel like if we could just take at least 5 minutes to ourselves in the morning, we'll be good. I'm also working on split still. It's still a long process, but this is me trying and practicing. I'm lower on one side, which, you know, our body is just crazy. Afterwards, I just like to wipe down my mat, take that time instead of just wrapping it up dirty. I do go over and wipe it off. Please wipe off your mats. That's nasty. That's ugh. And I try to keep this as real as possible, pulling up my pants, showing my rolls. Like, this is me. This is my body. I do have a hose to water my plant, but there was a lizard on it. And if you don't know, I am afraid of lizards. So I'm just making multiple trips because I'm not. I'm going to just fill the buckets and come out because I'm not playing with lizards. I joined this fitness group boot camp. I'll let you guys know the name at the end if I like it. So I signed up for a month, and let me tell you, that first day it kicked my ass. Like, ugh. Random Tuesday outing, we decided to go to Rocco's Tacos downtown Fort Lauderdale on the Solis for a happy hour. They do have some of the best tacos. It was $24 for unlimited tacos, and oh my gosh, also their cilantro rice is the best.
You really love me like you say you do. Or do we just want someone to fill the emptiness. So do you really love me like you say you do? Oh baby, do you really love me like you say you do?
So you could either get the basic guacamole or you could have them do the experience and make it in front of you. This was so good. I wish it was spicy, but because we had the baby, I didn't make it spicy. And just showing you guys the menu. It's all day, all night, $24.99, all you can eat tacos. And it's only on Tuesdays, let me say that. For drinks, we got the I think it was mango margarita. We got the pitcher. The pitcher is about $24 and it literally had 4 drinks each. It was so good, and you do feel the liquor. So look at the big old glass and you fill that up 4 times. That's 4 times each. So I had 4 glasses and Corey had 4 glasses.
I would rather you do that anyway.
There's mushroom, pork, chicken, shrimp, and pork. Yeah.
Mushroom was definitely my favorite. And then we decided to go to the beach. Let's just cleanse away all the negativity, shall we?
Now we at the beach. I gotta dip my feet in the water.
Right here, look.
Oh yeah. Oh nice. I think they had those the last time, no?
I don't remember.
The beach is my happy place. That's where it rejuvenate me.
There's a lot of them over there.
Right over there they're doing a workout. So when they finish, we're gonna come over here and chill out.
The beach was gross. It was filled with seaweed. It was a hard time just even making it to the water. But I just had to dip my feet in. And then the ocean tried to steal my shoes. For that split second, I blocked out everything and everyone, even my 2-year-old. Sorry to say, but you need that moment for sanity. Life isn't always perfect, and you just gotta breathe through it. Inhale and exhale and let that shit out and move on to the next.
You can see the rain coming, just like Fort Lauderdale. Shitness. Just like Fort Lauderdale. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, God. One thing about Florida, though. Always in June, always gonna go from beautiful to shots in a matter of seconds.
This video is posted on Instagram, but I decided to do a nighttime yoga routine. How to prepare yourself for bed if you can't fall asleep. So this is just me recording the video. It turned out pretty good. I was kind of shadow banned on Instagram, but things are kind of looking up. So I'm very happy that I had to email them. Like, it got to the point where I had to email them. I got hit with copyright for using a song that's on their platform that thousands of creators used. And after I emailed them, my views have gone back up. I don't know why I was shadow banned, but hey, who knows? Skipped a few days because I was sore. Like, I couldn't even sit on the toilet seat without being in pain. So this is a workout group that I signed up with. We were at the Panthers Arena. They had a whole thing with like Black fitness people and health people, and we all did like a big workout. They had soca step, Zumba, and they had yoga at the end. it was such a vibe just to be there with all these amazing creators and all these amazing fitness people. Like, I will tag them. If you follow me on Instagram, Yoga with Vanessa or Yoga with Vanessa H, same profile, I just forgot the name, you will see all of this beautiful imagery. And thank you guys for watching. I know the video was short, but I had to post it because it's 2 weeks and I really wanted to stay consistent and get a video out there. But if you like, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye bye.